What is up, everybody? Let's see if I get that straight. All right, get off of there. Man, what's up? I think I'll make a video talking about this crazy stock market because I haven't even been home for the most part to make a video. I've been just working a lot. So when I get home, of course, it's just too late. And there's really nothing to talk about, right? I just not been trading because I'm just waiting for the stock market to settle down. If you remember, I said I was getting out, right? Because I thought we was just gonna blast off like it's doing now. The stock market is totally blasting off without me, so I'm a little pissed about that. And but we went down. We went down like 900, 1,400 points before blast off, and it shook me out. And then we went right back up. And what I need to learn is once it reaches that point of where I got out, for the most part, if it could get back to that point relatively quickly, I need to reverse my position and get back in. And that's what I need to learn. Sometimes I do that, but more often than not, I don't. I just like, you know what, I'm just going to get out, take a pause. Let's see what happens. Because the market is immediately telling you it's whatever you thought got rejected. So I just need to say, oh, okay, let me get back in, and just kind of go on with that. So, but I've been right. I've been right that it was gonna blast off, and and I was all set up for it, and I kind of missed out. So now the futures, we was up 1,700 points yesterday, a 7% incline. Now the futures are up another 800 points. Yes, another 800 points. So 17, so 2,500 points in 2 days for the most part. That's 3%. So it'll be another 10% move if it holds. So, once I get home, I do try to, maybe I could do it here, if I get some time to plan on to sell some calls above the market. And I did sell a few yesterday, somewhere around the 2,800 mark for about a buck 35. My average cost was around $1.20. $5 spreads, right? So the most I can make is 120. The most I can lose is 380 on each spread, and I think I did it 4 times. So the most, you got to do the math on that. So those positions are going to be underwater when we open up. Errol, what's up, man? I'm at work. I figured it's the only time I could do a video. We working hard because people don't want to come to work because they feel they might get sick or be sick, whatever. But I'm here, so I'm like, let me make a video now. I got some time, and because when I get home, I'm gonna be too tired. Is that the same thing? It's like the post office. There's different. We're all over the country, but yet it's the same. It's the same, just everywhere you go. You close your eyes, walk into any post office, open them, and you'll think you're where you was at. Same mentality. But yeah, so getting a lot of work. I'm on vacation the next couple of weeks, so that's gonna be nice. I might be able to put out more content, and I just take a break because my last vacation was like last June. So it'll be nice. So anyway, yeah, man, I missed the run up and a little pissed off. It sucks being out, but I'm in my the 401k thing, TSP, right? And I'm in on the in my stock portfolio. So I'm making good gains in that. So that's good. But my trading, I could be making thousands, and I missed out, so but I get it. I just gotta wait till it settles down. And are we going straight to the top? Why are we even all right? I got a call, man. If you're still with me, sorry about that. I hate that's what sucks about going live. I'm in my stock portfolio is up. Yeah, so I'm just, I want to be able to make the gains. So I'm just gonna wait for it to settle down. I still think we go lower, man. Simulate doing a V, like a V. I don't have a computer in front of me. We're gonna be down like, I don't know, 15%, maybe. That's ridiculous for what's going on. The whole economy is shut down. Damn near half the world. It doesn't even make money that's finally coming in. You said bars are at the max and still buffering. Oh, I don't know if you're talking about my connection. I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, Yeah, I had a phone call, so hopefully I'm back and it's doing good now. So got the sun in my face. Anyway, so yeah, I just don't know what it's doing. A little frustrated. Like I said, frustrated I'm not in. Anytime there's a big move, I'm not. I like being involved. I like being involved and going in the right direction. And I was set up that way and I just failed. But the good thing is I'm not losing money. So I do understand that. I'll take that, with some losses because the people that was on the wrong side of this trade are getting clobbered. So they're going to be some short. Okay, your connection. All right, cool. There's going to be some short covering. I don't know, some short. I think people are going to start shorts because we're going to open if I don't have a computer in front of me. I think around 2740. 2780, in that area is that 50% retracement. So this is a good time to start selling those calls deep out of the money because we're not going back to break even, are we? I mean, come on, it's ridiculous. So yeah, I mean, this seems like easy money. It seems like when the market opens up, you have the potential for the most easiest money you could possibly ever make. And that's actually what scares me because it can't be that easy. There's no easy money in the stock market. You said you just joined. Did you say you're hiring? Yeah, we're always hiring. I'm here in Louisville, man. Or yeah, if you're talking about working for the post office, yeah, man, we're hiring. The postings don't always be there, but we're real short. So if that's what you're talking about, keep going to USPS.com, I guess, and then go down to the employment link and then type in your little city and see what jobs they got going on. And yeah, I like it. I like it. I guess Errol likes it. I don't do much. So and it pays well, good benefits. So what was I talking about? I guess that's it. Just being in the market, yeah, it's crazy. Yes, easy money, easy money. So, but that's what scares me is the easy money. So I gotta look at it. I have a feeling. I don't know. It's just the last thing you think it's gonna rip 1,700 points yesterday and 900 points this morning. When okay, the curve might not be as much deaths, but shoot, there's still like 500 deaths in New York. I mean, it's still a lot. So I mean, I, I don't get it. Everybody's still not working. There's a lot of small businesses going under. The banks are still kind of messed up. Gold is still ripping. Oil still crashing. Everything is still there. It's the only thing that's all right. So say 600 people didn't die, 550 died. That's why you're ripping. That's why it doesn't even make sense. Come on. I mean, yeah, what is that? What's going on there? It's terrible out there. I mean, and they're not talking about some parts of the country talking about schools out for the rest of the year. Um, they're not talking about even be thinking about opening up the economy until maybe the end of April. It's only April, what, 6th, 7th? So at least another 3 weeks, at least 3 to 4. Yeah. So, and even then, that's going to, it's by then, when that happens, it's going to be, I don't think we can come back from it. It's not going to put it this way. It's not going to be where we was at when we was at new highs. It's not going to be like that. You're not going to just hit the switch and everything is just ripping, and everything is back to normal. So that's why I just don't get it. It's very frustrating when you just think about what's going on, So, it's still scary about there. I think life decisions, life changing. This is life changing, meaning. Are you ever going to go back into the crowded movie theater? Are you going to think twice before getting on that airplane? Or are you going to frequent restaurants as much? Yeah, you might social distance for a while. I think we'll eventually forget about it, but I think initially you're just going to be, what? I think I'll just stay home. And, offices, you're not going to, a lot of people's going to be working from home. Will probably stay that way. So jobs will probably be cutting jobs. Oh, we did good without you. You know what? I don't think we even need you anymore. So people's going to get laid off permanently. Yeah, it's just not going to be normal again. You know, and people's gonna watch what they spending. You know, if you ever down in your mortgage, because if you ever down, especially when you're struggling, right? You check the check. Say you go down. Now I know this because I claimed a bankruptcy years ago when I got divorced. If you, let's say your mortgage is $1,000 and you miss this month and then you miss next month, okay? Now the third month's coming, you owe $3,000, but you ain't got 3,000. You know how long it takes to make up those 2 months if the mortgage company don't let you put it on the back end? It takes forever. It's like you feels like you just feel like a big weight, and then you can't pay other things. It kind of snowballs. It just snowballs, and then now you can't pay this, you can't pay that, you can't pay that, and that's going to be with a lot of people. And that $1,200 checks or whatever, it's not gonna make a big difference to a lot of people, especially the small business owners. Where they're giving you a loan. We all know that when, let's say you're struggling, we all know that getting a loan, or say a credit card advance, basically getting a loan of any kind of money is not going to fix your problems. It's not. Well, why is everybody think this is okay? We gave everybody money, but it's a loan. It's not like it's free money. Yeah, the $1,200 might be free money. We'll pay it back later though in some fashion. But as far as giving people loans, that's not gonna fix things. So if you're in debt, you're gonna go with debt I mean, and that's why the country's where it's at today, with the trillions and trillions of dollars, because they think debt fixes debt. It don't do it. And us at home, in small businesses and people across America, we don't have a printing machine. We can't print. We can't print money. How are we gonna print money? If we print money, we go to jail. But they can print money and it's all good. Hey, take that, right? So overall, we're doomed. That's the bottom line. So try to make money if the stock market's going up or down. Just try to make money off of the movement, because we're doomed, man. So that's my video, a doomsday video. I know it's early. What time is it? 8:28. I know it's early, so I guess I'm not gonna get enough people in here. And I wish I was home. Generally, I'm home before the 9:30 market, so I can kind of see what's going on, think about a game plan of what I want to do, look at some charts. But I can't be in here. And if I try to kind of get on my app and make some trades, they generally wind up making me lose money. What I like getting out of trades. I'll get out of a trade at work. That's getting out is easy as far as I don't want to be in that trade no more. But getting in, making a position, it always seems to wind up being a losing trade, overall. So I try to stay away from it. But today I might be interested. I think I want to sell some deep out of money calls like I did yesterday. It might not even be that deep out. Maybe right at that 2,800 mark, at 2,850 on the SP, on the SPY, SPX. And sell, say, the 2,850, 2,860s, or the 2,850 to even 3,000, and see what that pays and see if that's worth it. And then kind of go with that, because there's no way. I mean, it's just no way. I don't see it anyway. So you got Boris Johnson over there, the UK Prime Minister. I think he's in ICU, or he's in bad shape. Let's say he were to pass. Does the stock market go down, big time, or I don't know. It just seems like there's a lot more things like that can happen that didn't happen. The unexpected, like a celebrity passing, to make it real, because if people think, they want to follow celebrities' lives, I could care less about them. But I guess that makes it real, wow, this person's died, he got the virus, just looking at something. Where's he going? Okay. Yeah, so so things like that, or somebody blowing up, or maybe a bank blowing up, maybe an airline filing, chapter 13, 11, whatever one it is. Was it 7? One of them 3. Yeah, so something like that, right? Oil crashing again. Maybe they come out and say that Russia and Saudi Arabia, Yeah, we're not gonna this whole deal. It's weird that Trump can come out and announce. So Russia and Saudi got beef. They're getting ready to squash a deal, get a deal going, and it's Trump talk about, yeah, the deal. They're gonna cut 10%. That just sounds like phony baloney to me. That's just me. This is me. So these guys, why are you announcing what the deal's gonna be? And they ain't have nothing to say about it. But I do think they're supposed to be meeting on Monday, but they ain't saying nothing about no 10% reduction or whatever, 10 million barrels cut across the board or whatever. So anyway, I guess I don't want to bore you guys because I have nothing to show you. I can't show you charts and like, look at this, look at that, look at that. But if you pull out the 4-hour chart on the SPY and just kind of look at that breakout, it's something to be looked at. It's huge. It's crazy. So yes, we could go higher when you just look at the chart, but it's like, what? Are you serious? So anyway, I knew he was gonna go higher, but I didn't think like this. I didn't think it was gonna be an explosive breakout like 2,700 points in 2 days. So anyway, that's what we're looking at, and it looks like it's gonna. Well, I don't know. It looks like it wants to stick. If it was a regular stock, I'd be like all in. But I know it's the market, and I know all this bad news, so it makes me timid and afraid about it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at that. I still might do a video later if I'm up for it. I got some things I need to do and bring up the charts, but I just want to make a quick video now because I didn't do one yesterday, and here's the one today, right? And I don't know if I'm going to do one today, so I wanted to get on here and make a video, just kind of talk about stuff. All right, so thanks for watching, man. Keep an eye on those futures. Let's see if they sell off. If they don't sell off when the market opens, it's probably going to trend higher. Or we'd have to wait to the end of the day, see what kind of happens then. Maybe that's when everybody will put in their bearish positions. All right. So thanks for watching. This is Dre Trades, Instagram, Twitter. This is Dre on YouTube. Thanks for watching, y'all. See ya.